Welcome back to another episode of Jungbeop Talk. Today, we're diving deeper into youth employment, but with a focus on the realities of starting a business and employment tests. There's a lot to unpack, especially when we consider what's happening in society today. What's your take on young people starting businesses?
Well, it's a bit tricky, right? On one hand, it's great to have ambition, but we need to be realistic. If a young person has enough funds and views, starting a business as a learning opportunity, then sure, it could work. But if they expect it to succeed right away, that's where things go wrong.
Exactly. That's the harsh truth. The reality is, starting a business with the sole goal of becoming successful often leads to failure. Success doesn't happen overnight, especially if you lack experience. So, should young people even try to start a business?
That's where the family background comes into play. If someone's from a family that's already a business elite, they might have the resources to learn through trial and error. But if they come from a non-business background, they should focus on learning through work first, rather than diving into a startup.
Right? Because not everyone has the luxury of family funding. And what about the students who come from non business elite families? Should they just stick to traditional jobs?
Absolutely. For most of them, starting a business without proper financial backing is a massive risk. They should be learning at a company, gaining experience, and studying the industry they're interested in. The system works when you understand your place and take advantage of the opportunities already available.
And let's not forget, education isn't just about getting a degree, it's about learning how to apply knowledge. So, what's your opinion on the whole idea of employment tests? I mean, President Park recently said they're trying to reduce discrimination by using them. Do you think that will work?
Honestly, I'm not convinced. The current employment tests, like math or English exams, don't really reflect someone's potential. The focus should shift from memorization to actual skills and ideas. Imagine if companies hired people based on their vision and ability to contribute to society, not just how well they can memorize facts.
That's a great point. Employers need to assess someone's ideology, their thoughts on the bigger picture. It's not about how much they know, but how they can think and contribute to the company's growth in a meaningful way.
Exactly. A person with a vision for societal benefit will always bring more to the table than someone just trying to check boxes. The future of employment should look beyond academic performance and focus on the broader impact someone can make.
So, if we're thinking about the future of work and business, what do you think is the most important change that needs to happen?
The most important change is to shift from valuing traditional credentials to appreciating innovative thinking. We need a system where ideas are respected over rote knowledge. After all, the world is changing rapidly, and businesses that only focus on profits will eventually fall behind.
It's a matter of balance, right? Between using your education wisely and understanding what's truly valuable in today's world. It's not just about making money, it's about making an impact.
Exactly. And for the youth, this is a crucial time to shape their understanding of what success means. It's not about being greedy or rushing to succeed, but about contributing in a meaningful way. If they can get that right, the rest will follow naturally.
Well said. And before we wrap up, let's remind our listeners it's all about the right mindset. Whether you're starting a business or entering a corporate job, it's about learning and growing, taking every step as an opportunity to develop your capacity to contribute.
Couldn't agree more. The future is in the hands of those who think beyond the immediate and look at the bigger picture. That's how we'll create a more balanced, innovative, and prosperous society.
Exactly. So, youth, take it slow, be wise, and remember, education and experience are your best tools for success. That's it for today. We'll dive into more of these ideas in the next episode. See you then.
Take care, everyone. Stay thoughtful and keep learning.